Chief. I'm
Welcome to today's edition of I'm So today we have a message from Steve in Tampa. Hey Steve, here's what you sent me. Chief, I wasn't but now I am My down payment partner just backed out. I'm going to lose my $10,000 earnest money deposit. Help, Steve from Tampa. You pretty much are really on this one. It's really tough because if your down payment partner backed out, you got to find another down payment partner. The fact that you're sending me a message tells me you don't have another down payment partner. So one thing you could probably do is give us a call, drop me an email, and what we can do is we might be able to gap fund that loan for you. The deal's got to be a damn good deal for us to be willing to gap fund it and be your down payment partner and fund the rehab and fund the purchase. So essentially we are funding 100% of your deal for you. So you probably should have some track record. It needs to have some redeeming values, but we could probably unhose you by turning around and funding it. If not, if the deal's a turd, if the situation's a turd and things don't look good, yep, you weren't I could you, but I could turn around and you could get again. So I really don't know. Give me a call, we'll solve for it. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us and I'll try to answer your question for you.